Hello, friends. This is Melinda with Mindy Marketing. We are in week 1 of how to use Canva for your business essentials. And today we're going to talk about how to create your business logo in Canva. So we're logged into Canva and we're going to go to the left side here and click Create a Design. And then we're going to just type logo into the search bar. Now the options here, this first one, is if you want to create a logo from scratch or you want to go in and just play with your logo. It's going to give you a blank canvas that you can just go in and experiment with, or if you know kind of what you want your logo to look like and you want to build it, that's a great place for you. If you are one of those people that just wants to come in and create a logo quick, maybe you don't feel like you're the creative type, these are great options for you. So they've got pre-made logos and they are organized by category. So let's choose cafe logo for this example. Here's your black canvas, your blank canvas, and here is the pre-made logos. Now, some of these are free. As you can see, this one is showing free and this one is not. So if you want to stay free, pay attention to the ones that are popping up as free. Okay, so you just want to find one that you like. There's some great looks in here. We're just going to choose this one. And then you can take this and simply add your branding, colors, and fonts. So right up here is where we can choose our color. And hopefully you've added your primary branding colors after watching my last video on that, how to add them into Canva. But just for your own information, you can add other colors if you'd like. There's a vast array. It's really endless what you can do with these colors. These are the document colors that are there right now, but we want to add our branding colors. So for our background, let's choose this blue. And maybe we want to make the mug white. And maybe we want to make our font that same blue. And we're done. So it was that quick and that easy. Let's go back home now and let's try the second option where we create our logo from a blank canvas. So we're going to go to this logo right here, this option. And as you can see, it's given me my blank canvas. And on the left, it's giving me a vast array of different logos. They're not just one category anymore. You get to see all of the logos in the different categories. And there's a lot to choose from. And the cool thing about this is, if you like a particular element of a logo, but you want to really make it your own, you can choose one of these and just use, what you like. So if you liked this Mama Yum Yum logo, but you like this part right here, the circles with the cutlery in them, you could pull that over and use just that. You could, add other elements to it. You can take elements away. Or if you liked this shape or this shape, it's really endless what you can do. For this example, let's use this one. So let's say that I love this script. I just need to change the letters. So we'll do BL for business logo. I can resize this by dragging down. I can center it. If I go to position, I can center it in the middle. I can also move to the left and to the top and to the right. As you can see, it moves it around. We're going to stick with middle. And then I can add other elements. So real quick, let's just go over these tabs. Photos. If you wanted some kind of a photo in your logo or a portion of a photo, you can crop these pictures. You're welcome to add that. Most people don't have photos in their logo unless they're a background that's faded. But you really want your logo to be simple and legible. Elements here, you got lots of choices. Everything from shapes and frames and stickers, gradients, all kinds of things here. Here's your text. So if you wanted to add a heading, like you would add your business name perhaps under this one. If you click it, it ends up over there. Subheading, same thing with the body text. Videos, that's what this is, but you're not going to have that in your logo. Backgrounds, you can get some really cool backgrounds here. Textures, colors. Uploads, this is for if you have maybe a clip art or you have something that you want to upload and put it in here. That's where you would do that. Okay, so let's go back up here where we were to templates. And we've already adjusted our letters here. So we're going to add a line. Let's say we just want to use this line right here. We can move it down. I need to click off of that a second. Okay. Just like that. We can center the line. And then maybe we want to group this together. If I highlight them all like that, it gives me the option right here to group them. And that means they're going to stay together. So now when I go to move this, I move all of it together. You can see my grid lines that come up. Those guidelines, they show me the center. There's the center if I want it to be right on the center. If I want to go to the margins, I can do that. Perfect. Let's move this up a little bit. And maybe I just want to change this to different title. If I wanted to add a slogan, maybe I come over here, put my subheading in. I would want this to be larger. So this is where I can choose those text options. So that was way too small. Perfect. Okay. Make it there. And this could be your slogan. And as you can see, I've just built a logo by adding elements. And then of course you can choose your colors and everything like we went over already. So you can put as much time or as little time as you want into creating your logo. But either way, Canva is a great tool for this, and you can do it absolutely free. Now, of note, when you download your logos, when you finish, if you look right here, you can download your logo. And the file type is PNG. That's great. You want to keep it at PNG. You have the opportunity here to choose to download different sizes of your logo. So, you know, if you want to do it just at this size right here, you can do 1 times. If you want to download different sizes, it's not going to let you do that unless you're paying for it, okay? So you're a bit limited with the free version. They do offer a free trial if you ever wanted to try that. But the other thing that it won't let you do is, as you can see these crowns right here, the transparent background and compress the file. You cannot use those options unless you're paying. But you can download your logo for free as is here, okay? And that's all there is to it. It's super easy. If you have any questions or anything that I can help you with, please let me know. I'm Melinda Thornton with Mindy Marketing, and you can email me at info@mindymarketing.com. I hope you'll join me next week for week 2 of how to use Canva for your business essentials.